Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and thank you for supporting our channel. Today we have Ford Explorer. We have a spare key. A spare key is a peace of mind. We need to program those keys. How you're gonna program it? You're gonna go to IMO. I was in a programming mode before, so you have to clear all the cars and come back here. Also, don't forget to put the key in this place here. You see, that's the place in this pocket. You have to put the key that you need to program inside here. If not, the key will not be able to program. You see here. Now I'm gonna come to IMO. From IMO, I would say no, I did not agree with their disclaimer. So now here, ignition is on. I will go by VIN number. No, this is not Infinity. You have to be careful because it's a touch screen. So you need to go to by VIN to know what year model is the car. Auto detect. You have your phone?
Yes.
Ford US, go to Best Car Fixes, BESTCARFIXES. This is the car. I will say okay. And now we're gonna wait a little bit. Is this blade key or a smart key? Is a smart key. Ignition is on. Ford US Explorer from 2011 to 2015 are the same thing. Okay, IMO statue. Now I'm gonna wait for it till read all the information, and then I will go through not all kilos. I will add a key. You see here, just add a key. Okay, now I'm gonna start. It takes some time. It will not clear the code. Turn the ignition on. Now it's gonna go success. It say it will take 10 minutes. I will say yes. They say it will take 3 to 10 minutes. We're gonna wait for it. 3 to 10 minutes. Now it's 0. Be sure you have sometime you need internet. So we're gonna wait to see, does it take 10 minutes or 3 minutes? 4 minutes is not bad. You get my, you go to YouTube, you write down Best, BEST, CAR, oh.
Best?
Best Car, CAR. Fixes, FIXES.
Fix FIX?
FIXES. Fixes.
FIXES.
Yeah. Fixes.
Best car
Like my
fixes.
eyebrows. Sorry. Fixes. Best Car Fixes. You're gonna see an ugly man there.
Yeah, I can see you here.
That's a picture of 2015. Long time ago. Right now we get old.
You want me to subscribe?
Subscribe and share, please. Subscribe and share for all over the group that you have around the world. If they need any tech support, how they maintain their car, advices, and it will help a lot. I'm gonna turn the radio off. Here?
I don't know this car, you know.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna leave it like that. That's the AC.
Come. Press here.
Is this here, right?
No, wait.
On
On the
off.
there. You wanna just
Oh,
make it.
I want everything off, yeah.
You want to move the,
Yeah, off,
the
off.
AC?
Yeah.
Although you know, huh?
Take the AC off, yeah. That's it.
The
And
volume.
the radio
down,
here?
put the volume down.
Where is the volume? Down
There
here?
on the, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. How long you are without this key, the emergency key? They call it emergency key. When the battery go dead, it's not easy to go into the car.
Yeah. I've been having that problem since I bought the car. I didn't know the car has no key.
Oh my goodness.
So when the car one day I forgot to switch off the light.
Okay, now 45 minutes.
Okay. Oh, fio hii mwengandu fio makone.
47%.
Second key is
This
finished.
one is finished. Now, do you want to program another key? Current key number 4. Learning session. Do you want to learn next key? I will say yes. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take this one out. Where it is here, right? Take this one and hold it. I'm gonna take the other one. I'm gonna put it here. And this is small pocket. Now I click OK.
You can under pocket only one day.
Okay, now
G phone.
now current number key 4. We say this key learning is failed. Say okay. I'm gonna do it one more. The count of learning key exceeded. Okay, here is what happening, sister. This car take four key in the brain. We already have 4 in the brain. Before we have 2, and I add 1, become 4. It will not take 5, like for example.
Okay.
So you're gonna leave this one standby. I already tried, it doesn't go. So you're gonna leave this one standby. Anytime you lost it or you lose any one of this key, we can reprogram it again for you. We put another one in it. But right now you have 2 working key. Make sense?
I have 2 or 1?
You have 2. You have 2. The one that you have it before is working, right?
No, it's not.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete everything from the memory and register them again. Because you cannot take 4. You cannot take more than 4.
Because you see,
Yeah, because so let me start again. Escape it. What I'm gonna do is I will put all key lost, okay? We will delete all the key. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put
yeah,
okay,
put the
hold.
2 new keys.
Okay. I'm gonna start the same way. We're gonna start 3 to 10 minutes. We're gonna continue to do this one. It takes some time, but we're gonna start all over. I programmed this one here, but you see this? You see?
Yeah, that one is
This
working.
one working, but we cannot put where is the other one? One is here, so we cannot put more than 4 keys. Before the car have in the brain, you have like 1 key or 2 key. So when I add this one, it become 3. Another one he cannot take 4. So I'm gonna clear it and put them new.
Then there's one inside.
We'll leave that one now. We're gonna program this, and then we're gonna program this, and then we can program that. So it take it. We have to delete everything from the memory.
Okay.
So we're gonna continue on it.
So if I want to do this machine costs about how much? All your machine here.
To put the key from
Okay.
I'm serious.
We start all over because of exceed level of the keys. So now it's 60%. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we are 84%, 85. Let's see how many minutes left. Okay, now success. Okay, now you see learning key 4.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Erasing every key. Gonna be no key at all now. All keys gone. So now he asked me, okay, there is 1 key inside, right?
yeah.
1 second. Just 1 second. Okay, I put 1, right? Do you want to learn next key? I will say yes. So now take this one out. Give me the other one. That's
I don't know.
where
Mohammed, he cannot be on the phone for long.
I call him back. I call him. Yeah, I call him back.
This one I have, this one.
Give me.
that one.
Okay, this one. We're gonna put this one. We're gonna get it, no problem.
Wajogi kesanga.
Yeah, Linga.
This is 2. Okay. I'm gonna get it. Let me see. Now, third one. Okay, 3. Do you want another one? I say no. Everything success and it's done correctly. Now I'm gonna turn the key off. Start it. So this one is done. They all work fine. Okay.
All 3 is working now.
Yeah. This one doesn't work. All of them, they work fine. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is how you fix those cars and having a spare key. That means you cannot add. Yeah, because some button is no good, but it works some. Maybe one of the button is no good, sister.
Oh, this thing is working.
Okay. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.